Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how me and my sister did my parents' 35th anniversary centerpieces. Basically what we're doing is we're placing the flower stems inside of the styrofoam ball. The styrofoam ball was purchased at Walmart. Unfortunately, I do not have all the footage of us making the centerpieces. It was lost. I do apologize, so I'm just going to have to work with what I got. And as you see there in the back, my sister, she's kind of finished with her ball. She's just placing flowers in some areas. But basically, you just want to randomly place the flowers in different little ways, so therefore you can get all the different colors around the ball. So you're just going to continue to keep doing that process and make it look nice and pretty and flushed.